Hello everyone, welcome to your Student Development Day. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to send documents via your emails. Okay, we're going to be using OneDrive. If you're not too sure on what OneDrive is or how to use it, please do watch my previous video. Okay, and I'll explain everything of regards to OneDrive, regards to folders, files, and how to send them via OneDrive. But we're going to be looking at today on how to do them via email. Okay, so first things first, what I need you to do is go over to our Homestyle website. As always, at the top, you have your different links. What we need to do is go ahead and click Office 365. Now, once you click that, it will ask you to sign in. Okay, if you need help on that, please do see my previous video. Once you've loaded up Office 365, it comes up with effectively your homepage. Okay, now on the left, you'll see some familiar icons. You've got Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive. Now, my previous video looked at OneDrive. Today, we are going to look at Outlook, which are your emails. Now, when you click Outlook, it will take you to a page very similar to this. Okay, now all you need to do very, very simply is click New Message in the top left-hand corner. Okay, and it'll bring up this little box here. So following on from my previous email, okay, say for example, we want to send some work to Miss Reeves. Okay, I need to send her my Unit 2 Learning Aim B work, for example. Okay, hi Miss, here's my work. Okay, many thanks. Okay, now put the work in there. Okay, we need to click up here and see the word attach. Now you've got a few options here. Okay, you can either browse this computer, which will look into the files that are saved on your laptop or computer. But obviously, we've been using OneDrive. Okay, so we need to browse the cloud locations. Okay, now this will load up a little box like this. And if you click Files on the left, it will bring up all your folders that you should hopefully already have now in your OneDrive. Okay, now I used this folder earlier in my previous video. Okay, so this is the folders that I created earlier. Now the work I need to send to Miss Reeves is in my Sport folder, and there it is, Unit 2, Learning Aim B. Now, all I do is click it, and it comes up with this circle, and it's got a blue tick to it. That means that it's going to be attached. So then I will click Next. Now you've got two different options, okay? You can either share as a OneDrive link, which will give Miss the chance to edit the document alongside, and you'll be able to see any changes that she makes, any improvements that are recommended to improve your quality of work. Okay, so always best to share as a OneDrive link, okay, because it enables that ease of communication. Okay, the other option is to attach as a copy. Okay, Miss will just get that file, okay, and we'll be able to make changes to it, but then they'll have to send it back to you. And it might be a bit confusing that way of what's the latest edition of that version. Okay, so it's always best to share as a OneDrive link. Okay, so once you click that button, you can see here, little progress bar, and there we go. Once that's finished, it is now attached. You can see here, anyone in my organization can edit. That's the idea that obviously the organization is our Homesdale school, and Miss Reeves will be able to edit that document and make changes or any improvements, and then we'll let you know when it has been improved, and you'll be able then to go onto your own OneDrive account, open up the document, and you'll be able to see any comments that have been made. All you've got to do then is click send, and that work will be sent to Miss. Okay, again, that works with any teacher and any other documents in your OneDrive. You can send them over that way very easily. There is another way to share those files, okay, via OneDrive. Please do see my previous video for that. As always, guys, if you have any questions, please do drop me an email and let me know, and I will help out the best way I can. Many thanks. Have a good day.